Today's silver analysis on weekly time frame. We had this level of resistance, the price broke it here to the upside, but it couldn't stay up there too much and it started falling by this nice bearish candle, a candle without any shadows from downside, just a bit, just 10% of the whole candle. Okay, it is showing that the sellers are much stronger than buyers and they are controlling the market of silver, okay, right now. So after this support breaking to the downside and the candle we want on this, we can have some sell scenarios here and we can touch this level of support on weekly time frame. Let's check daily time frame to see what we have there. If you have watched my previous analysis, I told you that we have this trend line with a break of this to the downside. We can have our sell position opened here with a stop loss above the candle and get our reward, which the price gives us our reward somewhere here. Okay, and I told you that we should keep our sell positions open because the candle is really bearish, and I love this kind of candles because it doesn't have any shadow from downside showing that the price getting rejected from any level, but the price is continuing falling. Okay, and for those who have taken sell positions, it's fantastic. Let's check 4-hour time frame to see what we have there. On 4-hour time frame, I told you that we have this trend line for the price. With the break of this to the downside, we can have our sell positions opened here with a stop loss somewhere safe and look for our reward. And right now we must be in profit because we have opened our position on body close, and right now the price is lower than the body close we entered sell position here. Okay, so right now we are in profit, and I told you that we have that level of resistance and the price didn't touch it after that. Instead it broke this trend line and it is giving us our reward somewhere here. Okay, and even more, it is falling actually right now on the live market. Let's check 1-hour time frame. On 1-hour time frame, you can see this candle broke it to the downside and it made its pullback to this level. When it actually returns to that level, it is being shadows from upside. Okay, showing that the price is getting rejected from that level. We could have a sell position here and our second sell position here too. Okay, and with a stop loss above these candles and look for our reward, which we must be in profit. Let's check 15-minute time frame. I told you that we can have our sell position opened if this trend line can be broken to the downside. Okay, you must watch my previous analysis. I put the link above that somewhere there. You can check my previous analysis of gold or XAG USD and check these positions. I told you that we can enter sell position here with a stop loss above the candles and get our reward. Right now we must be in profit and even more than risk to reward 2 or 3. Okay, which is fantastic. Let's check 5-minute time frame to see what we have. Let me actually show you what is going on the 15-minute time frame live market. Then we go there. On 15-minute time frame, the price is falling after the price made its pullback to this level. Of course, we had some news on actually 16 here, and the price pumped to that level, to that trend line, and it made its pullback and it is falling right now. Okay, when we see this candle on the trend line, we must enter sell position with a stop loss above the candle and look for our reward, and it gives us our 1.5 somewhere here. Okay, and it is in the way to give us our more rewards. And right now we also have this trend line for the price. With the break of this to the downside, we can have our sell positions opened again. You can see we have lots of sell positions because of the weekly time frames bearish mindset we had, and because of that our sell positions are most in profit. Okay, let's check 5-minute time frame if the chart can be loaded. Come on. I think I told you that we can have a that was 1-minute time frame. I will show you that too. On 5-minute time frame, we don't have anything special. I'm not seeing anything special. but you know, we can draw some levels of support, and actually like this one. I'm gonna clean them. I won't keep them because chart will be actually too much dirty, so I can't draw too much of lines, supports, trend lines and others. Okay, we have these levels of support. You know, it is easy, come on, it is not too much hard. The price was falling, touches a level and starts going up. Okay, this level is not important. Why? Because you know, after that the price started falling again, and you know, this level is included, this one here. Okay, and so it is not important anymore. So this level is really important, and also this level, the price was falling, touches a level. We don't care it was a support in the past of the market or not. Okay, in the recent chart, it is actually a support. The price was falling, touches a level. You know, forget about this trend line here. Okay, I'm just talking about the actually candles condition. Okay, the price was falling, touches a level and starts going up. So we draw this level of support. In the future, if the price touches this level and it gives us a trend line, ignoring break of this trend line here, it depends on you. You are trading based on support and resistances or based on breakouts. Okay, it depends on your strategy, because if we can have this trend support touched by the price, we can see our trend line broken too. Okay, so we have this support too. If we see some nice candles on them, if your strategy is support and resistances, you can enter buy positions on those supports. If we see a nice candle like this green candle or like this pin bar candle, okay, a shadow from downside showing that the price is getting rejected from this level of support. Okay, let me check 1 minute time frame to see what we have. On 1 minute time frame, we don't have any supports for the price right now. I drew the supports for you. We can find a pattern here. Let me open RSI to see what we have. You know, RSI is showing a divergence here. Okay, the price is making lower low like this. Let me take it somewhere here. But RSI is showing higher high. Okay, sorry, lower high. Okay, what did I say for this one? We are making lower lows here, and RSI is making lower high. Okay, or higher low, I don't know, I just forgot those things. Come on, the pattern is important, the structure is important. We have a divergence here in the market on 1 minute time frame. We can wait for a trend line like this. If I can draw that like this to broken to the upside. Okay, then we can have our buy position opened with a stop loss below these candles and look for our reward. Okay, we don't have any supports here. You know, we are just trading based on RSI and its divergence. Okay, and just in indicators, I love RSI because of its divergence, not any other indicators, because they are just some numbers, and I don't see it logical to enter with some numbers in the market. The structure and the emotions of the candle is much more important. Okay, thanks for watching. Let me show you the 1 minute position I told you in my previous analysis of silver. Let me, if I can find it for you, because it is important. Yes, we had this trend line. I told you that it has two touches. It had two touches. Okay, after that we had another touch here, and the price broke it here to the downside. So we enter sell position here with the stop loss above the candles like this. If I can draw that for you, like this one, and your stop loss is not going to be touched because your stop loss in a safe place. And after that the price starts falling and falling and falling. Let me close RSI, and it gives us a reward of something around 5. Okay, something around 5, which is fantastic. Okay, it is of course live trades. Come on, I showed you 2 or 3 live trades in just one analysis of gold. yeah, it doesn't mean that we should take all that reward 5 here. Some people close it on this level because they think we're gonna see some rejections from this trend line, okay, which gonna act as a support, but the price broke it to the downside and it starts falling, okay. Some people close it on RR3, some people close it on RR2, and some people close and wait and close their position on RR5. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you like the content, and if you have any questions you can ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.